Hey guys and gals, it's me George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, and I have just a quick update on the Gadget Bike. I have my throttle linkage hooked back up, and you can see I have a chrome knob here and another chrome knob down here, and it's a little bit shorter, and we've rebent our thing back here to keep our wire keeper in place better, and she's working very nicely, thank you, and much less slop in my shaft. I did get my head gasket today, came in the mail. I haven't put it on yet because I'm still thinking about how to mount my fuel tank and my toolbox, and possibly I might mount them to the head bolts, or one head bolt on each side. We'll see. Another thing I worked on, not a lot today, but I worked on this. Let me take you around the other side. This is our shut-off switch, and this mount came off of a tea kettle, which I'll insert a picture of the tea kettle right here for you to see what it was before we started. Yep. And the final thing that I made, we'll go back around the other side again. I made my plate to go down in here. How's that? I'm going to paint it, and it's just sitting in there. I don't have it screwed in place, but there's a tab so that I could put a Tech screw right here, and then down below it'll actually bolt right through the plate that's already there. I'm still contemplating whether or not to make a cover for this piece here. I would have to weld it onto here probably, and I don't know if I want to do that. If I do decide to do it, that will be when we tear it all down to clean up our welds and, you know, paint it and all of that good stuff. I had company today a couple of different times, so I didn't get a lot done out here. I did find that my sparkly wheels don't seem to be sparkling anymore. I don't know that there's any way to change the batteries in them or anything. So with that possibility being, I may not use those wheels. I may use some rollers. What do you think of them apples? I may put one down here, and I have to have two of them, and I'm thinking the bottom one, I've got to do some research. One of them should be able to be stationary, and the only reason I really need one on the top is I need to make sure that I maintain some clearance for this brake cable, and it's very close. I may actually have to come up with a I don't know, mount a roller like that just to keep it away, even if it's just there, just so that it misses, keep it from bouncing back and forth, and maybe another one on top. I'm not sure. So those are things I'm thinking about. One of these, either the top or the bottom roller, should be able to be stationary and only one of them flexing. And I'm thinking the top one should be able to be stationary, because that one is the one that pulls, you know. That's the one that gets the tension on it. And the bottom one is the one that gets more slack in it, so that's the one that should have the tensioned one. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm thinking about anyway. A little more research and to see what's going to be what. So anyway, that's a little bit of an update today. Not as much as I'd hoped, but you know, people are more important than gadget bikes. I know that's hard for you to believe, but yeah. Until next time, This is George. Whoa, 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 wait a minute. Wait. Until next time, this is George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, saying thanks for watching. Bye.